Hey guys, just so you know, this thumbnail is for the video or this picture, and I will be showing you how I made it later in the video, okay? Hey guys, it's me, Elijah, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make good plush videos or how to do it. So anyways, let's get started. So first of all is the lighting. You need like good light. So like over here it's kind of like black. So like maybe move like near the window or something. There's a lot of light. But also you want to record at the right time, because like if it's like dark outside, like one time I was recording at night, it was like all black. The screen was all black. So you won't be able to see your characters when you're recording at night. Unless you have like a bright light in the room you're in, then you could use that light. But one time when I was recording in the dark, I didn't have a light, but now I do, so I can record in the dark. So make sure, so lighting is also important. Okay guys, for this next step, I'm going to be using screen record. So the next step is actually to have an editing app. I use KineMaster to edit my videos. Like I'm working on this video right now. Hey guys, the how to make plush video stuff. Also, guys, if you're making like an editing video when you edit a show, then you can actually go like find green screen stuff on YouTube and like download the video or something. But anyway, and also you can also add cool effects with green screen. You can also use blue screen. You can add red screen, I think. But that's it for the second step. Okay, the third step is thumbnails. I prefer PicsArt, or whatever it's called. And for this, you actually want to go to your camera and then like take a picture of your plushies. So like or something like that. So maybe I'll like take a picture of Mario like that. And then on the internet, I'll search for like camera or something, and then like I can make my thumbnail. So I'm actually using my tablet to do my videos. Camera. Is that right? I don't know how to spell it. Okay. So images. Which one should I use? I'm just gonna use like this one. Alright, then I'll just take a screenshot of that. And then, okay. And then, you actually want to go find the background or whatever. So go to PicsArt and just wait for it to load. Okay guys, after that's done loading, you need to like okay, so you go to create, then find then like find a picture. So we took a picture of Mario and we want a background. We're actually gonna hold on, let's see. Is there a way to create it? I'm just gonna press something random. Okay, I'm just gonna press this. I am also making a video called Morton's Missing Wand. So I'm gonna make the background for this video yellow. So there's draw, color. Okay, why is it asking? Okay, draw. Hold on, is there a way I can? Okay. Fill, color, yeah, yellow. Yeah, that's what I want. How do I? Okay, so I want to change the size. So where does it change? I guess I have to scribble. I've actually never used this app before, guys. I'm new to this app, but I do suggest the app. Hold on, because I'm trying to figure out a way to change them. I'm just gonna scribble. Okay, this is what I have so far. It's been like 20 minutes, I think. I'm almost finished, but this is looking a little crappy still. Okay, so I'll see you guys after I'm done drawing this. Okay, guys, I just finished making the background. So next, what you want to do is press. Where is it? Add photo. And then and then I'll press my Mario picture. Then press add. And then you can like sizen it up a little bit, but you're probably wondering, wouldn't this be kind of stupid since the background's there? Well, you can actually like destroy it, or whatever you want to call it, erase it. So you actually want to go to outline, then you want to, and you can always retry. I think this is a really helpful tool, but sometimes it can get a bit annoying, but still it's really helpful. Mario should be easy to cut out though. I was trying to cut Morton out of one of my thumbnails, but he had like a weird body shape. And then like you can erase whatever you want, but I think this is perfect. You can see, wait, honk. How do we not? We also want that. Okay, so yeah, I think that looks good. Then you press the check mark, and then look, there's no background. And then I can put him here. Then I'll add the camera. So yeah, there's the camera. It feels weird mentioning the camera because I use the camera to take. Okay, and then like I can like make Mario hold the camera or something. So I want to actually go to the how do I do it? So press the thing, press cutout. Then you want to trace around it with the outline. And then just, sorry if you hear noises. Okay, so that, yeah, okay, I still need the, for some reason it did that. Okay, I'm still, I can't believe I missed that. No objects. Hold on, I don't know what that means at all. Okay, so okay, yeah, well, that's probably fine. You guys probably wouldn't even notice that, just to be honest. Okay, so the tiny pieces don't really matter. We will get that in. Then guys, I'll also show you something secret later, or tell you something. So anyways, yeah, that camera looks good. Don't even realize the holes. So press the check mark, remember that. And then like I can make Mario hold it. And then I can make then I can also like add a text. I'll type how to make plush videos. And then I like to go to stroke, change it to black, go all the way. And the color, I like to have it yellow. But of course the background's yellow. Oh, where is yellow, by the way? Where is yellow? I can't find yellow. Okay, normally I like the color to be yellow. So, hold on. Where's the... Okay, yeah, so yeah, I would have it like that. And but I want the actual, hold on. I guess I'm trying to move the text. So, I'll actually keep that yellow, or maybe I can change the color to like red. I'm actually going to change it to red. I mean, there's Mario there. Come on. Plus the background's yellow, so I don't want the text color to match the background. So then maybe I could like put something random here, like I'll just put Mario again or something. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the thumbnail. Time to go to the next step. Okay guys, this next step is what you want to do. You don't have to do this step, but you can change the brightness of whatever you have, but you don't have to do that. Of course I'm not going to do it because I don't feel like doing it, and I'm too lazy to make more parts of this thumbnail. Okay, so now let's go to the final step. Well, the final step is actually kind of like 2 steps, and the secret part is in the final step. Okay, I'll see you in the next step. Okay guys, so the final step is actually to press the download button with KineMaster or whatever you have, and then it'll go to your gallery. And then you need to add your custom thumbnail. But if you can't have a custom thumbnail, here it is guys, secret part. Hold on. So you go to your, I'm just going to go to I took a screenshot in it for it. And then you want to make your thumbnail like 10 seconds long in the video. And then if you have like trouble with this, then you want to press the equal button. That's the best I can make it. So guys, and then hold on, let me make sure this is 10 seconds. I'm just going to make this a little longer just in case. Yeah, I'll make it 11 seconds. So guys, now you need to press the download button, and then I'll show you how to upload a plush video or a YouTube video in case you want to start a YouTube channel. So I'm just going to wait till this is done uploading. Guys, I completely forgot. If I download this, then I can add this part to show you how to make or upload a YouTube video. So I'm actually just going to do it right now. I'll just I don't know, what is all this stuff? Why is there a lot of stuff here? Okay, I don't know why I got a bunch of notifications. Okay, so go to YouTube Studio. Also guys, this is actually how to do it on Fire Tablet. But sorry guys, I don't feel like typing in all the links in the description, so you need to find the games by yourself or the apps. They're not really called games. So guys, after you get in your YouTube Studio, I have a bunch of videos. So if you haven't started a YouTube channel, it won't look like this. You have no YouTube videos. You don't have a single one. So you'd have to go to press create video, upload. Then you can also go live, but then you press select file, and you just wait for it to load, or press it 1,000,000 times. Okay, so then you press files. Just gonna press, and you just press a random. I'm going to press a random video. I don't know what to press. I'll just press this. So you upload it, and guys, this is a random video I just recorded. So guys, then like your thumbnail would be like right here, but since this is I'm adding like a short video, there won't really be anything. So I'm gonna make this private because this is just an example. It's already done uploading. Okay, so then you can decide if it's public or private. I'm making it private. Then I can also share it privately. So okay, so guys, yep, that's the example, and that's how you upload a YouTube video. I'm just going to delete it because I didn't even want to do that. So so you press more actions, then press delete forever. Then it'll tell you are you sure you want to do it, and yes, of course you want to do it. And then you just wait for it. Then you can like leave the screen. Then guys, I'll also show you how I make like my YouTube icon and whatever the other thing is. I think it's called like the banner or something. Okay, so just wait for it. So you go to customization and press the wand thing. And then look, you can like choose like a trailer, then like videos for returning subscribers. Then there's like playlists or other stuff. Then so you go to your branding, and then you like press pictures what you make, and then like you can also make a little thing on the corner of your video. And yeah, that's how you set up a YouTube video and a YouTube channel. And yep guys, that's how you make a plush channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.